Okay. Alam. Kung saan inigay sa utot?
Fourth.
Ha?
Fourth.
Ay! Ito na, inigay. Okay. Alam na kayo. Basta kang kuha na konde. Wait, abiha. Candy!
Malas, Brad. Kili sa.
Ay, balik ka. Walang nisunod. Ikaon, tanan. Tanan.
You're next.
Sunod!
Brad, karong na, Brad. Pim na, Brad.
Pilay, edad ni Uncle Phil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121,
Oh.
I'm asking what's your age. Okay, pila edad ng Cosel? 1, 2, 3. Ha? Okay, sunod. Pila edad ng Cosel? 1, 2, 3. Sunod! Makmak! Pila edad ng Cosel? Ay, sige na! Pila edad ng Cosel? 1, dang! Don't tell him! Pila edad ng Cosel? No coaching!
Yeah, I just
Don't tell him!
I just want that.
Six!
Brad, ano si Mami Brad? Brad,
Oh, I love it.
Pila edad ng Cosel? 1, 2, 23!
Give him a prize. Give him a prize.
No! No!
That way.
No coaching! No coaching! No coaching!
Not trying. Oh.
No clue! Ilan edad ng Cosel? 1, 2, 3.
51?
Give him a prize.
Sunod!
Oh.
Ilan edad ng Cosel?
You-
1, 2, 57. Sunod! Come here! Ilan edad ng Cosel? 1, ha?
Hey.
Bunot naman, bunot.
Uno!
What you got?
Consequences. $50! Tagwa!
50 pesos.
50 pesos! Oh!
Next question.
Brad, mapatay na mo yan, Brad.
Hoy, landa! Apil mo landa! Apil mo tanang dali! Okay, sunod! Unsay paborito nga color ni Uncle Phil? Red! 1! Hi!
Oh, mama. What did,
Okay, next! Come on!
what did you ask?
Paboritong color ni Uncle Phil?
Mula.
Come here! Paboritong color ni Uncle Phil?
Twang.
What's your favorite color? Oh.
I can't tell you.
Paboritong color ng Cosel?
Green and red, but said. They already said green and red, so.
Paboritong color ng Cosel? 1, 2, 3!
Nice ka, Roy. I love you, Roy. Kaya, Roy. Boy, sa kalibo, bro.
Oh. You got
Wala, ganaan yung prize. Brad, itong Japanese, Brad, yung kanta, Brad. Brad, itong Japanese, Brad. Oh, Japanese.
Sige na, kanta. Kinsa may sunod? Oh, ako na pod. Unsay akong paborito nga color? Pink. Sunod. Paborito na ako nga color, right? Toink. Unsa akong paborito nga color? Pink. Toink. Paborito na ako nga color. Prize!
Oh, got another one right.
Prize!
Okay, let's see.
Katawa! I want to laugh! Katawa!
What's the question?
Huh?
What's the question?
What's my favorite color?
Oh,
Oh, karon!
don't ask me. I don't know.
Pila akong edad? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sunod. Pila akong edad? 1, 2, 3. Ha? Toink lang ko na senior citizen world. Sunod. Pila akong edad? 1, 2, 54. Toink! Pila akong edad? 18.
Yeah! Give that guy a prize. Give him a prize.
Wala siya kamalugod.
Ito na sila. Pila akong edad? 1, 2.
Good job.
Ha?
Good job.
Ino, na bukas te, na bukas.
Pareha man sila tanan.
No.
Pareha man sila ginani.
Ambak pa na. Nabukas ulit mo.
Ano pa man? Sa pami, kabalong sa
Dahil na po.
Good job.
Sinabot ang Maro mga iniyan eh. Sudah kandaan ko eh. Right na sa.
Ano madali anak? Sige lang, consultation pa na.
Perfect knowledge, Brad. Perfect knowledge, Brad. Gitu ba?
Sunod. Okay.
Bro.
Unsay in English sa malibang? 1. Ay, 5. Apel ka sa linya ba?
Yan na, saboy.
Apel ka sa linya.
Puto ba?
Kanita, rare, unique.
Ramansi.
Ramansi gini ay.
Let's get the
Gila ba?
Okay, karon unsa ang middle name yang fulfill yang nag-start sa letter M. Guess, that's a guess. Matog na niya yun.
No, ni.
Letter M. It could be math, Mike, basta in English, apelido sa in English. Basta sa nga word sa letter M.
Apelido sa English?
Oh, hindi, nagsugod sa letter M.
Mulo. Wait.
Mulok.
Letter M, middle name. Yo.
No, say it.
More.
Sige na, letter M. Like, more, baby, more. Michael.
More than you. More D. Morgan.
Dili.
He was-
Linya, wag kay kani.
He was a disciple.
Linya.
Think of that.
Gulat, oh. O, ikaw. Make a guess. Letter M.
Morley.
Math.
Morley.
Then.
Marley.
No, that's it. Ay, sige, Riama. Sunod, dali. Pila ka letters? No. Upat.
Ay, more.
Pangalan mo ito. Middle name ni?
Mark.
Mark Linston.
Phil
Middle name?
Paul Carter.
No! Come on, sunod!
Next.
Balik ka, Mac! Pilido niya kung fail. Nagsugod sa letter M. 1, 2, upat ka letter. 4,
4 letters.
5, 10. Ay, naglisugod ka sa Okay, nagsugod. Ha? No! Sige na! Mike? Is it Mike? Mike. Says yes or no?
No, but you
No.
know what they need to know because
No, don't.
they can't. They need to hear what was already said because a lot of them are repeating the answer. So not give him another chance. That's not Mike.
Oh, sa maminaw mo kung unsay gisugod.
You know what? I'm going to give you
para dili ninyo ma-repeat
give you a
ang mga
clue.
pangalan.
It ends with a K.
Oh. It starts with M, ends with a K. Kasunod, dali. 1, 2, 3. Huh? Oh, is that Mark?
No.
It is.
What did you say, Mark?
Yeah, middle name.
Mark. Yeah. I thought you said Mike. Here's your big chance.
Balik ako, balik ka, Mark. Iyan siya, Mark.
20.
Oh, 20. Oh,
Next, this question.
Next na. Sa kalibuan kayo.
Ganun sa yun, pudbi.
Well, you've got to give them clues.
Hey, no, because there's a lot of them.
Yeah.
It's not like 5. Sayon? Onside. Kanina nagsugod ni sa... Ay siya, nakatawa ko. Wow, kamunon siya. Pinainin ni mo, 80. Nakita sa tuhod. Uy. Matungod sa tabi?
Tigwa mo nga kung feel.
Wala niya.
Daniel, ini katubag kay.
Ilay, sukod sa...
Ilay sukod sa tele.
Sa hawak ng kufil.
Ano,
1,
90 piece your
2,
po.
3.
95.
You said your waistline is 95.
Dako ra kayo.
Give that guy a dusting.
I'll get
What?
80 piece your.
Next.
So that I can answer.
Pila mo, insakto. Pila mo.
You know what? You got to remember. Do they know inches? Yeah, but no metric.
They know.
Oh, they know.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you would say yes or no if the right.
Okay.
Okay. Ilay ng kufil. 1. I know. Waistline.
46. 47.
Basta kayo makatubag ko.
Is it right or wrong? 47.
Wrong.
Wrong.
I will get the answer because I make,
Kaya ako paborito.
Oh, that.
Ah! Is it 54?
No.
No. Oh, sunod. 54. Hoy,
Tama sa dito.
Hoy, alin ba? Sige, apil man siya. Hindi ba? Besa ka. Ang isang kasi mo 55. Is it 55?
No.
Sunod. Sila yung sukot
Think smaller.
ni Uncle Phil. Wait, kalay. Sila yung sukot ni Uncle Phil.
They under smaller.
Pilay hawak. Ha? 62? Is it 62?
No, I think smaller.
Pilay sukot ni Uncle Phil.
You gotta remember, I wear my pants under my gut. Think
Ha? Is it 54?
no.
No, this one.
I wear my
Sunod,
pants
sunod,
under my
sunod.
gut.
Lower than 54.
My pant size.
Pilay sukot ni Uncle Phil. 1.
Think of pants.
Ha? Is it 52?
No.
Lower.
Okay, you gotta remember the guts here, the pants are here, a lot lower.
Ready?
49.
Is it 49?
No, keep
No.
down. Keep going down.
Mama.
I'll finish.
Ay!
No, I'll finish naman ko. Dili ba ko musaba?
Bumalik magkadit ko.
Dili na ko mo appeal.
No, down here.
Mama, honey, is it 37?
Oh,
Dili pa ba? Dili pa ba? Dili text. Dili text.
Oh, is it 37?
not quite.
No!
Ay na mong tanaw.
Sunod. Wala pa ka.
Down. That's no good.
What's your sukod? Oh, no!
Oh, no, you gotta think. You gotta think the pants size, not my stomach.
Minkas, wala pa nakatubag.
No, go down. Go
Sige,
down.
ikaw.
I see here.
I'm gonna have to put my pants
No!
down. if you want.
Ah, sabi?
Kinano rin yung buo para makita na rin mo.
I'm gonna have to.
Wala niya.
I got.
Wala di. At sa akin, di katag na. Karon.
Sunod.
Ako ay pulbos. Apel.
Pila edad niya kung siya. Okay, sukod.
Sukod.
Pila sukod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Lower pa.
Pakutana. Is it 44?
No.
No.
Remember, not the stomach. The down here where I wear my
Sunod.
pants.
Pila sukod, Uncle Phil.
Think low. Think low.
Sa pila naman to? 42.
Is it 42?
No.
No.
Think low. Think low.
Do you hear me?
I can't hear. Right.
Okay. Pila edad. naman. Paubos na naman.
Think lower because under the stomach where my
Pila
pants are.
sukod ni Uncle Phil.
41.
Is it 41?
No, think lower.
Lower.
Think lower.
Pila sukod ni Uncle Phil.
Brad, ikaw ay sulod, Brad.
No.
No. Ikaw, Katie.
45.
No.
Oh, don't I wish.
Ubos naman, ubos.
Now remember, it's under 40, it's above 25.
Oh, there you go. Alec, close.
Somebody said 37. Oh, you said 37 once
No.
before. Somebody said that
No.
already.
No, it's not 37.
Yeah, but somebody but
They're
they're not hearing each other's guesses.
No. They're not paying attention. It's up to them.
44.
No, lower.
No.
No, somebody.
Sige na, sunod. Oh, lower sa 44. Lower sa 44.
Lower than 40.
In between 30 and 40. Okay. Is it 32?
No, don't I wish.
Taas kamay. Taas.
36.
Is it 36?
No. Higher.
Go.
Higher! Higher! Nanay Clue, oh! Sige na! 1!
No, somebody said 37.
No! Nagsumaymay, nag-37 na. Mag-pay attention.
Somebody
ko
said
kung saan
37.
nagkuba. Okay.
There's only one number left. There. Oh, she was waiting.
Oh, nga magtulog-tulog ka. No coaching.
Oh, I think that's a good
Hindi mo
one.
na mabalaan kayo. Yun na matanan.
Oh, bro.
Oh.
Ano ba?
Hello.
Sige, kanta na po. Kanta, 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 kanta.
Daniel! 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 Daniel!
Sorry, maganda, Brad.
Okay. Next.
No, he's doing this cancer contest. He needs to sing.
Oh, why is he got to do? Oh, is that what it
He's got to
said?
sing it, yeah.
Oh, you gotta sing? Oh.
Twinkle, 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 little star, how I wonder what you are. How the love that works so high. Got diamond in the sky.
Nice job.
Sunod! Unsay sukod sa tiil ni Uncle Phil?
I'll try.
Nakalala niya na sa art, Brad.
Unsay sukod?
7.
Nagsugod sa
7?
5 pataas. Clue, 5 feet pataas.
Height?
No, sukod sa tiil. Diba na?
By feet or by...
Diba na?
Feet.
5, 5 and a half, 6, 6 and a half.
Not set and a half. You go by inches. So be 5 foot something.
No, I'm searching for the shoe size.
Oh, shoe size.
Ano ba? 42.
Shoe size.
In 40s or in...
8, 9, 10, anak.
Oh, pila sukod sa tiil, diba? Ikaw, 7. 7, 7 and a half, 8, 8 and a half.
8.5.
Is it 8.5?
No, that's
Yeah,
right.
that's what we said. That's what we did.
No, you got
We're just
the.
letting you know. That's what we're guessing.
8.5 ba na kote mo?
8.5.
No, but you're not. No.
It's okay. Just
Oh no. Yeah, but that's not right. I thought it was my height.
no.
So no, that's not right.
It's okay. We'll just go on. What is it? Anay mo.
I thought it was the height.
So, it's okay.
We'll just say. No, did it?
Say it.
We'll just say 12.
Okay.
Okay. Ang
One
clue
down. One down.
is 10 above.
O, sige lang. Di dapat. Tingnan mo ganit ay not higher 10. Di wa mo nag-10 ka pin.
Not lower than 10.
Well, nagsugod sa 10. Like 10, 10.5, 11.
9 and a half.
Okay, wala ka sa linya. O, sige linya.
Una.
10 and a half?
Yeah.
Okay. What's
Oh, sunod. 12.5. Is it 12.5? Basta 10 above, ha? Ayaw mag-abot sa to. Basta 10 above. Is it 11?
yes?
No!
Yes. Yes.
No, yes, no, yes, yes.
Because I said one lower,
I said 12.
and I said one lower. Okay, you got a good one.
Pila ka mo?
Nailag na kaya?
What's the next one? What's in English sa big up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh? Okay, I'll take that bird. Bird. It's a bird.
I got this. Let's go, Brad. 100.
Hang on to that. Good.
In the bag.
Okay, we got the singing bandit.
100 bucks.
Ito saya, ako nito. Okay.
Brad, nakadugan na sa'yo sa tumabak, Brad.
Onside, in English sa pusod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sunod.
Navel.
Ha?
Navel.
Pusod, pusod.
Umbilical cord.
Ha?
Umbilical cord.
Oy!
Belly button.
Alright! Very bata! Very bata! Very bata!
That's a good one.
500, 500.
Sana? Bulya?
Bokya! Bokya!
It means
Wala, wala. Sunod. Onside.
Mana lang ko daan, ha?
Sa
Ngano lang ko daan?
alom. Sa alom.
Ay, mall.
Oh, you finally got one.
Huh?
You got one.
Dagan mo ko kaayo lang.
Tema, katay mong gayon dito, mga Richard.
Asa? Ha?
Color. Gayon gayon na ba, mga color.
Nawa ko kay Baloy, ako ra to. Kabaloy ka sila nagkuan, sila nag...
Dili man mabalan kay pulis man ginanay so dili niyo makita ako kung sa sulod.
Gabi ina sirim suway-suway.
Wa jud sa kuha sa kuan.
Let's see.
For the lucky, you are the one to open.
Okay.
Ang pang-presyo ni.
Oh!
Bokya?
Don't show
I'll
nobody.
say that.
Don't show nobody.
Oh, see, swerte. Let them sing. Let them say.
Okay.
Let them say, siya ang ikabukas, siya ang swerte.
Okay, well, hang on to that.
You're very lucky. You are so lucky to me. She got 500.
Ayan ka wala pangasa kay dapat
Okay, I'll keep it. Thank you, Pierre.
Napa dili ang 1,000. Okay?
May 1K.
Dapat 1K. Ayaw ko wala pag-asa. Balong ko sa iyo.
30. Thank you. You're the one who
Okay,
open,
ready?
so you're lucky.
Not usually.
Sa
Good for you.
Anjos. What's in English sa Anjos? Eyeglasses.
Pick a good one.
1,000.
Dapat yang 1,000. Naglutaw pa.
50, okay.
50. Yay!
Mabayad ka.
Kamay na lang. 1,000 na bilhin.
Okay lain. Sa English sa... What's in English sa... Uwat.
Scars.
Oh, there you go.
Bonus sa iyo, Brad.
Dapat yang 1,000.
Hoy! Numero ha?
1,000.
Bang! 100 again!
That's good.
Another 100 bucks. Brad, kabalo ka ng mission, Brad. Isahan ko rin mo. Millionaire! Here we go! Langis na kainit! Ang dala mong gayon, Brad. Ang sa'yo English sa dukot na alam. Puno ka rice. Nakaalam ka. Dukot na rice. Basic na lang. Pasama ng dukot. Ako na tayo pangkalan. Dukot.